My name is Dave Martinez, and I am the Director of Student Life and Athletics here at Sunnyside High School.
You had Burton Dett do a career workshop, 1,000 students, Genius Potential. How did you feel Genius Potential handled 1,000 students for this Gear Up program?
Yeah, the assembly today with 1,000 students, both sessions, went very smoothly. You guys did a great job of 9-10, where they can have a little less attention span. You did a great job of keeping them with you the entire time. And then when it got to the end, when they're doing their career check, you guys nailed it.
What did you feel about the content, the assessment?
Yeah, so the content they use for helping our students figure out, determine their passion for choosing a career path. Again, they nailed it. They used their skits, they used raps, they used different methods to help the kids understand the importance of finding your passion when you're thinking about life after their high school. Yeah, their presenting style, they get it. They get the importance of getting the crowd involved and engaged with them, and they nailed it. I would give them a double thumbs up. They definitely understand the importance of engaging the student in the crowd.